The Ducati Panigale V4 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece of engineering and speed. Designed for riders who crave adrenaline, this superbike delivers an unmatched combination of power, precision, and Italian craftsmanship. Under the sleek aerodynamic body, the Panigale V4 is powered by a 1,103 cubic centimeters Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine, producing a mind-blowing 214 horsepower. This means insane acceleration and a top speed that will leave most competitors in the dust. The bike's lightweight chassis, advanced electronics, and MotoGP-inspired design make it one of the most agile and high-performing motorcycles on the planet. What sets the Panigale V4 apart is its cutting-edge technology. It features a full suite of rider aids, including traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, and multiple riding modes to customize performance. The electronic lean suspension ensures a smooth yet responsive ride, whether you're attacking corners on a track or pushing limits on the open road. Ducati has also made safety and comfort a priority. With its TFT display, customizable settings, and improved aerodynamics, the Panigale V4 isn't just about raw speed, it's about giving the rider total control. The Brembo braking system ensures unmatched stopping power, making sure you can handle all that speed with confidence. If you're looking for a superbike that combines blistering speed, cutting-edge technology, and an aggressive, race-inspired design, the Ducati Panigale V4 is the ultimate machine. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an experience. Would you ride this beast? Let us know in the comments. And if you love high-performance machines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.